Today I'm going to be replacing this piece because the button to open this rear hatch is not working on this 2012 Mini Cooper. There are two little bolts on either end of this, and I've got a T15 bit to remove them. Two more bolts in the middle here. So there's 4 bolts total holding this back piece in. So we've got all those screws removed. So this is free now. And here is our plug-in that we need to disconnect. So this is kind of weird looking, but here's the piece that goes with this. And then this is the part that goes with the wiring harness. So we've got to separate those two pieces. Here's the new piece that I bought off of eBay. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. And you can tell that this needs to be lined up. There's a ear that sticks out on this side. So you line that up. All right, there we go. That's plugged in. So now get it kind of in place, and let's test it to see if it will work. Yep, so that's fixed our problem. So we're gonna go ahead and get the screws put back in. All right, so let's get these all started. All right, so we've got those all started. All those bolts are in there nice and snug down, so it's all installed. All that's left now is this little film piece that's on here. You can go ahead and take that off. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching and God bless.